I know a lot of people that say they want it, they invest in the course, right? And they don't do the work, but then they say it doesn't work, right? Is it really that it doesn't work, or is it just that you're not working? So are you at a point where you're like, I'm scared to invest into my business, into another company, into another strategy. I've already done it and it failed over and over again and I haven't gotten the results, right? You're definitely not alone when it comes to that. But I do want to let you know, like, to just adjust your mind in a different way, because you're going to have to invest into something in order to get your business to the next level. That's the bottom line. And you might as well do it with a good attitude. You might as well do it with a positive attitude and going all in with the next strategy that you actually choose, because it's not necessarily the strategy that is going to get you the results. It's your attitude. It's how you're going into the strategy and what you're going to put in with that strategy that you're given, right? Have you been the type to get the strategy or buy the course and look at it but not implement the activities that it's telling you step by step by step every single time? I know a lot of people that say they want it, they invest in the course, right? And they don't do the work, but then they say it doesn't work, right? Is it really that it doesn't work, or is it just that you're not working? Right? So take that into your mind, and the next thing that you invest in, and hopefully you invest a big amount, because that means that you have something to lose, right? If you're going to pay $10 for a messenger bot, you're probably not going to utilize it the way it should be utilized. But if you're going to invest $1,000 or $2,000 a month, and you're going to commit to a certain amount of months, well, you're going to start doing your part, hopefully, to make it happen when it comes to follow up those different skill sets and implementing what is taught to you to actually implement within that strategy, right? Because you have something to lose. And so just like a job, right? People go to a job, they get fired, right? People go to another job, they quit. Do they stop looking for another job? No, they're going to continue to try over and over again. Same thing with relationships. I go into a relationship, it doesn't work. I go into another relationship, oh, it's horrible, right? Am I going to stop trying to pursue that? Ask yourself. These are so many different things that we do over and over and over again, but when it comes to our business and investing, somehow we just want to stop because it didn't work before, right? So ask yourself, am I going to actually invest this time, go all in, come with a good attitude, and continue to believe and know that something is out there for me and I'm going to get the results? Because it couldn't, like I mentioned, probably wasn't the strategy, right? It could have been something that you were not doing, or you were doing, and maybe you weren't ready at that time, right? So make sure that your mindset understands the difference. The next thing you go to invest in, go all in. And when it comes to our particular strategy, if you're doubting, does it work? Well, you can take a look, right? We're here in the office on one of the top floors in downtown Austin, Texas. When we were literally, I remember in Asia, sleeping on a hammock, right? This has come from the result of the strategy that we implement every single day, and now coaches all over the world, business owners all over the world are implementing. It's all about connecting with more people. Now, when you look about take a look at your business right now. How many people are you connecting with on a daily basis? Is it 5? Is it 0? Is it 20? Maybe is it 100 or 200 or 500, right? Ask yourself that question. Now, take 10 times that amount of people and imagine you connected with 10 times that amount of people on a daily basis. Do you believe that the number of clients you will increase for your business? If you reached out to, or you got on 1,000 calls this month with interested leads, do you believe that you can close more clients than you're closing now? That's the question. It's simple. It's common sense, right? It's Ivy Leads. Get started today. Click below, swipe up wherever you are. We're excited for you. We're excited to be that company for your business, to just have that success story. It matters to us, and we know and we're confident that our strategy works. And so we'll see you on the other side.